Dear student, today we will perform the experiment is estimate the amount of acetic acid in commercial vinegar using standard N by 10 NaOH as a tritiant and phenolphthalein as a indicator. In this experiment, our required chemicals are N by 10 sodium hydroxide solution, vinegar sample, phenolphthalein indicator, and our glassware are conical flask, beaker, one pipette, and burette. So let's start the experiment. First, take burette and burette fill with sodium hydroxide solution. Burette hold in inclined position and solution taken up to 0 mark, upper 0 mark. Then drain the solution up to 0 mark. Clean the burette and the burette stand. Now take one conical flask and one pipette. Here pipette out 25 ml vinegar sample in a conical flask. Slowly. Okay. Just touch the glass. Okay. Then add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator. Colorless solution. After titration, the endpoint color is pink. Now start titration. When the color become pink, our titration is complete. Slowly add. See, the solution colors become pink. Our first observation complete. You see, the reading, initial reading is 0. Now after titration, the reading is 11.4. Okay, so 11.4. See the table. Number of observation. First observation, volume of vinegar solution taken in ml, 25 ml. Okay, volume of NaOH solution is required in ml. Initial 0, final 11.4. Difference is 11.4. Our first observation complete. Similarly, I have done another 2 readings, but did not show in this video to make it short and simple. Now, another 2 reading is 11.4 and 11.3. Now, considering these 3 observations, you have to calculate the concordance value as consider the mean volume of NaOH. Here the concordance value is 11.4. Yes, 2 reading is here, 2 reading is similar and another reading is difference. Finally, you have to calculate the amount of acetic acid present in the supplied water sample. Okay, thank you.